Hey. What's up? Alright, it's been a while since we've last hung out. We are in Vegas, so welcome back. I'm here with my wife and my brother-in-law and sister-in-law. It's nice, by the way, all this was fake too. I thought it was funny. So we're here in Vegas. Haven't been back in about, I don't know, maybe, I want to say like a year. We try to do this thing every year. This is trip number like 5, maybe 6. How do you close this? How do you close this? Now, if you haven't seen my vlogs in the past about Vegas, you should maybe check it out. They're kind of interesting. We enjoy doing it. It's kind of like a little way for us to get back in touch with each other, but also go party. You know what I mean? I think that's all I did. So yeah, I mean, good to see you guys, by the way. I don't think that I'm gonna be doing too much vlogging like I did last time. This one's more about just hanging out and whatnot. It was Christmas a few days ago.
Dana, you're gonna just love it.
I can't wait. I know, I'm excited to see it.
I'm gonna open a shop in like here.
Will I have to pay you guys $100?
No, just like 10.
How's the pressure level?
That
was a little intense, honestly.
Do you want a tattoo like this? Yeah.
I think maybe Uncle Ian wants a tattoo like that.
Oh.
Ooh.
I want more.
Is it working? What sound does it make?
I go, whoa. Oh. I want to put it in my bed.
You're gonna go put it in your bed?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, I don't think that I'm gonna be doing too much vlogging like I did last time. This one's more about just hanging out and whatnot. It was Christmas a few days ago, and I decided not to do much vlogging for that. I just wanted to have a good time. I wanted to enjoy the experience and not force my friends and family on camera. You get it. I mean, don't get me wrong. I think they all like the vlog, but I just don't want to force it on them. You know what I mean? Again, you get it. Well, I'm gonna go get a haircut. I guess I'm gonna spend a bunch of money and see how my hair is gonna look after getting a professional style haircut here in Vegas. So this is what we're starting with, and then this is what we're going to. I think now I need to shower and get the hair off my neck and try this. I don't know. I gotta style it or do something with it. I don't know. Just here we go again. A little bit better. Anyways, that's it. I don't have anything else for you guys in terms of the vlog. I'm just here hanging out and trying to have a good time. Hope you guys have a solid day, whatever you're doing. I'll be on streaming Monday through Saturday, so come check me out, twitch.tv/activator. Get in. Thanks for watching, and make sure to sub to my YouTube. It's free, dude. Just sub to me. Just do it. Just do it. It's free, and it helps me out. Okay, bye.